Layanlah saya Sat.
Khairul Azri 19.
Layanlah saya Sat. Kita masih lagi dekat episod yang lama. Saya post balik video ni macam biasa 5 tahun lepas punya cerita, dan saya nak post video ini.
Walaupun dia buat SpongeBob, Azri nak buat Plants vs Zombie. Jangan lupa subscribe dan layanlah saya Sat.
Video ini diinspirasikan daripada seorang YouTuber, sebab masa tu dia tengah on top dan video dia agak video dia memang padu lah, gempar. Saya pun masa tu terfikir, smart gila dia buat video macam ni kan.
So,
Today I'm going to try a huge epic tool for SpongeBob's 20th anniversary.
Dan video ni masa ni saya rambut panjang sampai sini sebab masa tu kan nampak macam style kan, simpan rambut panjang. Lagipun masa tu baru lepas habis sekolah kan, so rasa macam asyik kena potong je rambut aku ni dengan cikgu. Sekali ni nak try simpan rambut panjang, punya rimas geng, simpan rambut panjang wajib lah, tak tipu. Lagi nak cakap apa lagi? Tak ada apa kot.
Off of my head and then eat the brains of the one who planted me here. No! I'm just a sunflower, but see me power an entire infantry. You like the taste of brains, we don't like zombies.
I used to play football. Protons protect my head. I have a screen door shield. We are the undead.
There's a zombie on your lawn. There's a zombie on your lawn. There's a zombie on your lawn. We don't want zombies on our lawn. Maybe it's time to reevaluate. I know you have a lot of food on your plate. Brains are quite rich in cholesterol. You're dead, so it doesn't matter. Instead, we'll use the solar power to make a lawn defense at any hour.
Itu sahaja untuk video kali ini. Nantikan di episod yang akan datang. Don't forget to watch, don't forget to subscribe, share dan like, dan Yasakani no Magatama.